Buhay ng setter.
Ay, naku. Sinabi mo pa.
Buhay ng setter. Setter po ang pinagagalitan doon, si Rochao, no? For a variety of reasons that you heard.
Yun yung, talagang ganyan. Malaki ang responsibilidad ng setter.
Ay, hindi maipalo ng tama. Huli. Right. Nicely done by the defense of UST. Gorge shot very tightly there.
Ano si Bea?
Alangali.
Si Riri,
Actually, alangali niya ako eh.
Kaya malapit. Yun naman ang mahirap sa quick set. Pag yung very close to the net, tapos may malaki din sa kabila.
Hirap sa inyo kasi laki ko yung nasa kabilang panig. Ayun, nilagyan ng malutong. Yun! Cross-court linis. Ang linis.
Francisco with that hit. Napakatapang na bata nito.
Ganda na istorya ni Rina sa kanya kanina. No? Ito yung kanyang dream team, no?
Yeah.
Ito yung kanyang gustong maging kupunan. As well, yung pamilya niya traditionally associated with the Pontifical University. UST po yun.
Oo, pack. Yung niya, yung family niya is a pack of tigers.
Yeah. The only Pontifical University sa Pilipinas. Samantala, 15-12. Giselle. Nice set. Naku, ipit lang. Ipit. Medyo na. Ano tawag? Puntos lang, ano?
Oo.
Hindi na ibalik.
Overreaching.
Overreach ba?
Still a close game.
Yes. Neither team out of the fire. And that is a cross-court wide serve. Ateneo at the technical timeout number 2 ahead 16-13. It's time to listen in.
Hirapan natin yung puntos. Galing sa break, pinapalo natin. Meron tayo sa service. Matapon natin yung ganun kayo. Ano nga, kailan kayo magmamad yun? 16-13, 16-14. Ang na tayo eh. Pupuntos tayo, bababa naman natin ang sariling suicide. Suicide natin yung sarili natin eh. Kailan tayo mag-i-improve? Kailan tayo mag-mature? Yan ang binibilang sa inyo, kailangan yung character natin mabago eh. Wala eh, compliance lang. Pag-serve, balat lang ng balat. Kaya nga natin iniinsayo yan eh.
Tatlo lang ako na natin palangin.
Kaya naman natin eh, huwag lang natin magbigay ng sabi na, nagkakantara pa na tayo pagkuha ng bola eh. Pagayin natin, ako-convert natin sa puntos. Pagdating sa dito, babalik natin sa
Pag Sabado, Linggo at Lunes hanggang Huwebes, yan po ang schedule natin. Hindi lang tayo magkikita Biyernes. Okay, diba? Walang Biyernes sa'yo. Diba? Yun lang araw hindi tayo
Merong isang araw. Bihira naman, oh.
Isang tulog lang yun. 16:30. Ito si Coach...
Eh, di paano yun? Hindi na thank God it's Friday.
Wala. Si Coach Shakupu, may tampong konti sa kanyang team. Ano ha?
Yung maturity nga binabanggit niya. Kasi yung, it's more the decision making ability. Diba? Decision making ng setter, decision making ng mga veteran players ng UST.
Mga young men and women who are beginning to play this game, notice how Bea De Leon celebrates. She turns first because the rules dictate you cannot scream at the other side. Bea turns around and celebrates.
Violation for against Ateneo once again. So,
net. Yes. Cortez back in. Caballos back in.
Coach Kung Fu wanting a full front line now. Lagay na isang malaki dun sa harap.
Pero ito pag nasa ito UST. Ito kalabog ni Kung Fu ito.
Military nga.
Military. Pinagmamarcha sa ulan.
Barracks. Erasmo. Reading that well.
Hala. Pinagagawa ninyo. Patikik sa net. Binutasan ni... Ganda naman ng bigay ni Giselle.
That's right. Tama. Ang ganda ng last play na yun ng Ateneo.
Ta-da-da-da-da. Pwedeng open, ha? Kita mo yung kamay? Mukhang i-open, eh.
Tumagilid, binigay ng quick.
Big things come in packages just like mine. Sabi ni Giselle. Cortez. Oh, good defensive hands by Francisco. Cortez.
Oh, Cortez still trying to go down the line. Yes, that is wide.
Coach Kongpo was hoping he'd get the benefit of the call. Wala, eh. He needs his Pam Lastimosa back on the floor.
Right.
Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's Village. Ateneo trying to close the deal here, win the first game of the Collegiate Conference. UST has been a pesky customer. Took the third set. Cabanos with the set. Off speed, down and out. Hello, says Giselle. Rolls over to the other side of the net.
Nagbulungan. Ateneo trying to get that ball.
You should see her Bea time when she practices the beach ball. Diba ang puti-puti ni Bea? Tapos biglang sasadsad doon sa sun. Pag tayo, lahat ng sun nasa kanya.
Well, yan talaga. Ang hirap.
Okay.
Ang hirap ng laro yun, ha?
Na-respeto.
Beach volleyball.
Na-respeto ko yung sport niya. Dati sa akin, arte-arte. Shades.
Ay, naku na.
Napaka-importante.
Different kind of volleyball.
Napaka-importante pala. Kasi umi-spin yung bola, yung sun.
Saan? Oh.
Takas lulubog ka pa. One family pizza, gotta be Shakey's. Sabi ko, aba, sorry ha. Sorry, beach volleyball.
In-underestimate
Oh
mo.
no. Nilait ko. Piso. Oy. Ano
Oh, and another violation. A net violation.
Sumasayaw pa yung net, oh.
But now, Maraquinon having 20 points already. Ang Humiro and De Leon, 12 lead for Ateneo. Sa kabila, last game on with 14. Tunay and lalo with 11.
Let's listen to Coach Marley.
Last push.
Ingat tayo sa net. Dahan-dahan. Sabi natin sa net, ha?
Ingat lang.
Isipan mo muna.
There's two pushes.
Isip mo, may iba ba't dalawang isip ba?
Guys, last push. Let's go.
Softer note, Marley was also talking to Giselle Tan. Diba? Ba't ka nag-hesitate, no?
Yes.
Bigay mo.
Kailangan bulog mo kung kanino mo bibigay. Ganun ang center, hindi pwede nagdadalawang isip.
What I learned from Coach Louis Puela na huling better half ni Maki Puela, may pagkasuplado yung center, eh, no? In a different way, eh. Yun,
Eh, kasi kailangan controlled eh.
Oh, yeah.
Controlled
Well,
yung action.
you're the orchestra conductor there.
Yes.
In the meantime, Ateneo in front by 3, 2017, with an excellent setup job by Giselle Tan for a back row strike by Maraguinot, Joanna Maraguinot. Ay. Not the time for UST to come apart here.
Napakalapit sana dyan na kanina 17-19 tayo. Pero 2 points agad.
Oh, and quickly at that, and those were caused by errors. Ooh, just above the net, and it's gone. Energy problem on the side of UST. Fine. Little collapse on that side. Let's try to see how they recruit.
Ano kaya kayo bababa? Pag andyan na yung bola? Ano ba tinutulog sa atin? Hindi naman nakikita yung score. Pandikit na nga tayo, tatapon lang natin ng ganun kasimple. Ayaw nyo bang manalo? Naghihirapan natin yan eh.
Let's go.
Lahat ng instruction binigay na, naman gusto nyo. Kami maglaro para sa inyo.
Let's go. Ready.
Don Reyes is like your big brother, not on time kung dumating ang kotse.
But may point yung sinasabi niya
Oh,
kanina.
absolutely.
Lalo na yung pag halimbawa sa depensa, medyo huli eh, ng konti
Step
yung
late,
reaction.
ano? Step late.
Diba? Yung reaction, that's why it's either hindi nakukuha yung bola o naghahabol, hindi masyado maganda yung return ng bola.
Parang sayang energy bigla, eh, no? Napakagod eh. Tama ka, yung dalawa na yung lamang, nakakabulong na sana. Eto, tingnan natin, lumutang yung serve, ah. Sinet up job. Pusok! Maraginot just piling up the points.
That is right. And alam mo, dalawang matangkad na players na UST yun. Cortez and Meneses ang nasa net. Pero doon pa rin dinadaan ng Maraginot.
Alam mo, dahil tayo yun na dito sa volleyball, hindi na ako nagugulat sa 6-footer na babae.
Ay, oo.
No?
Ngayon nga, kaya nga yung materials, we have it.
Oo.
We really have it at this point.
Pagtsagaan na natin.
Oh, Laure with a cross-court. Beautifully done.
Ganda ng laser. Yung back na doon sa left ng net. Leads niya sa kanan. Tunay returns and Meruchao as well.
Yan, sa full front line na naman for UST. Let's see if this works for them at it's Tunay, Laure, and Meneses in front.
And they need some offense as well, ha? Kailangan nito matake sila. Kasi if they just play defense here, wala. Kukunin lang na Ateneo. They
Saka
need...
yung errors, yun nga yung sinasabi ni Coach Kung Fu kanina pa. Pinaghihirapan nyo, pero parang ang dali lang makabuno sa Ateneo dahil sa errors ng UST.
Sayang mo lang. One-handed flip. Adjust ni Laure. Nicely.
Oh, that's right. Laure, good adjustment on the last play. Inatrasan eh, di ba?
At saka para siyang aeroplano, adjust muna tayo. Para siyang nakipagpatintero sa kidlat.
Hirap.
Hirap yun. Nice play that. Check ball
Oh
yun.
yes, definitely check ball.
Ateneo at match point. You know, another lady is stunningly tall there is Ariel
Patnongon.
Panongon. Ano? May handbag na. Gulat ako eh.
Nag-second look ka ba? The girl na sila?
Dahil may handbag na. Tinaas!
Oh, that's still good. It's still playable.
Sabi ni Coach Marley, ano kayo? Tutulog sa pansitan? Ginawang set.
Oh, and a net violation against USD.
Saktan yata si EJ. Hindi makatayo si EJ. Tanda.
Ay, napakat ba siya?
Of course, De Leon and Maraginot were her teammates also, no?
Yes.
Under 23. And,
Yep.
well, Ateneo winning this one in 4 sets. You know, these two schools, the two oldest schools in the country. And Ateneo winning this time around. But not without a fight from the Tigresses. Watch this. Saan saktan? Dito ba mataas?
Oh, dito sa pagbaba rito.
Ayun, no?
Parang
Ayun.
Oo.
Shaky play, but the players were more concerned about EJ than anything else. Okay. We shall now... I think we go straight. Who did we choose as our best player?
Well, today, she really played so well and almost scored. Talaga nga, yung kawalan ni Eliza, pinunuan ni Maraginot in this game.
Joanna Maraginot. Yes, and Rina, go ahead, please.
Naman siya ng Shakey's best player of this ball game, si Joanna Maraginot. Congratulations to the Ateneo team. Joanna, without your team captain, Eliza Valdez, paano nyo nakuha yung kumpiyansa at naibangon yung sarili nyo from your third set laps?
Siguro, we just enjoyed the game, tsaka nag-relax lang kami kasi yun nga, inisip namin na kami-kami lang to, so we have to work together talaga. Kailangan talaga yung teamwork, tsaka ayun, relax lang kami.
Alam ko na pagod ka at gutom na kaya andito kasama natin si Ate Roma, ang ating Shakey's representative para ibigay sa'yo ang best player prize. Mami, gusto ko bang batiyan at pasalamatan nandiyan yung buong Ateneo squad sa likod mo?
Hi sa mama ko, papa ko, sa buong family ko, sa friends ko, 203, tsaka families ng teammates ko, tsaka Sir Rabisco, Sir Johnny, Sir Arthur, yun lang.
Alright, maraming salamat sa'yo and enjoy the rest of this week. Maraming salamat, Joanna Maraginot. 7, Mossy.
Daming photobombers, ano?
Wala lang no? Para maalala sila ni Joanna.
Yes,
Diba?
indeed. We'd like to thank you for joining us. Ateneo taking the first game of our collegiate conference. We'll see you more in the days to come. So, in behalf of my tag team partner, Mosi Ravena and Rina Villamor, our woman about the volleyball court, we'll see you next time for the Shakey's League, where it all started.